I am going to show you how to schedule a Telegram message. Okay, you want to set a message for a particular date to be sent on a particular date on Telegram. Let's get started. Open your Telegram application and then make sure that you open the chat that you want to send a message to, a scheduled message to, and then all you have to do is now write the text. Type the message. Okay, just be like, hey bro, what's up? Trying to make something happen right there. Write the text, and then after writing the text, that is how are you, long press the send icon, long press on it and hold, and then you're going to tap on schedule message. Okay, tap on schedule message. Now you're going to see this coming on your screen. So all you have to do is you have to adjust the date, adjust the exact date and the time that you want the message to be sent. Okay, so you can just schedule that. You can be like, maybe probably today at a later time, or probably a Friday, or the date that you really want. I'm going to use Friday, August 18th, then 9:30 to send. Then tap on send, the down part right there. There you go. You have scheduled your Telegram message to be sent on that particular date. Okay, so just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you next time.